Oh, you got caught. Sorry.
Sorry, Victoria.
You got caught right there, Victoria.
Okay. So, ladies, thank you so much for the picture team. But I really need your ears here. This is the criteria. Judges, thank you first. And I know I only have prepared 15 numbers. And if you don't have the number, please proceed to number 16, 17, so on and so forth. Victoria,
Back right there. Go ahead and help yourself.
For heartfelt thanks for you coming in coming to guide this evening.
And there will be more events coming up at Buko Resto Bar, so stay tuned.
The kitchen is open.
Ate Crystal over there working
So
so
far
hard.
right now.
We're feeling the station.